My name is Willie Bodrick II. I'm originally from Atlanta, Georgia. I'm a Master's of Divinity candidate at Harvard Divinity School at Harvard University, and this is my first year here at the Academy of Young Preachers, the Academy of Preachers and the Festival of Young Preachers. This experience has been very enriching and exciting experience. I've met very excellent preachers that have shared the gospel. Met very many contacts, a lot of contacts that have been good friends, that seem to be lifelong friends. Enjoyed what we've done here, enjoyed the fellowship, the communion, and I'm excited to be able to come back again next year and hopefully to preach the gospel again and to do what God has given us all the ability and opportunity to do. I thank everyone who's been a part of this, and who's helped, bring this event together and to galvanize such, so many different people from so many different places, so many different faiths, so many different denominations, all under one ecumenical space. Excited about what the festival is doing, excited about what God is doing in the lives of His people.